Hey, so what's going on, Door-to-Door Mastery fans? This is your boy, Paul Shakuri, and in this video, we're gonna discuss the most single important thing that you absolutely have to do, have to get your mindset into when you're mastering the art of sales in general. You have to, and if this does not make sense and resonate, this video does not get inside your head and say, oh, I absolutely am lacking with this and I need to do more of it so that I can unlock more of my true potential, you will never become a better salesperson. And this comes from coaching thousands of people and asking tons of questions, and I'm finding out a lot of people have this exact issue. And what is this issue, you say? It's compassion and acknowledgement. So what do I mean by that? Those are two things. And let me grab the marker really quick and write this on the board. So you're gonna have to pay attention, and you're gonna have to stay tuned to the details of my videos. I know I talk a million miles an hour at times, and I'm gonna try to cut it back for you, but make sure that you guys and gals are asking questions. I don't see enough questions in the comments. A lot of you guys and gals are just, watching the videos and then saying, oh, that was a cool, crazy, awesome video. But come on, write comments for me. Write the comments, and this is for you, not just for me, because the more questions I get, the more of these videos I'm going to make. And by the way, we are now committed every single Friday, a new video comes out on YouTube. So make sure you, first of all, smash that like button, boom! Make sure you smash that like button, but also you hit the subscribe with the notification icon, because every time a video comes out, you will automatically get notified that a new video is out and you get this free content that I give out. So here's something in sales that I've learned. It was probably after over 2 years of being in sales that really helped me take my sales to the next level, but also make me great at anything I sell. And what's that? And a lot of you guys and gals hear about this, but it's about being, they say be passionate about what you sell. Yes, that's true. That's something that absolutely has to be done. But to what level? You see, the majority of people sell because they want to make money, and that's why they fail. So number one, okay, you cannot sell for the money. And I know a lot of people will want to bash this and say, well, what are you doing it for, Paul? You are selling eventually so that you can make and have a great living. Let's be honest with ourselves here, okay? Note that salespeople are the highest of almost all income earners. So we definitely understand that we want to have this, but you cannot sell solely for the money, because when you are selling solely for the money itself, what happens is when you're communicating and talking to potential people at the doors, you're not acknowledging what their concerns are. And I noticed this when a lot of you guys and gals have been sending me your actual pitches, the audio recordings. For those of you who I'm actually coaching, you guys have actually sent me the recordings, and all of a sudden I notice it's like, customer just told you, you know what, you're just like the person who just showed up at my door. You're not willing to listen to what I have to say or what, are my concerns. You're just saying, yeah, and moving forward. That's not getting you the deal. You have to learn how to acknowledge. You have to learn how to acknowledge your potential customers' responses to the sale. Sales is all about the communication, okay? I knock on a door, okay, and I stand back, okay? The first thing I'm going to acknowledge is the fact that this person on the other side of the door doesn't want me here 9 times out of 10, not 100% of the time, because some people are just waiting for somebody to talk to. But I'm teaching you guys how to close that 90 percentile, not the 10 percentile. So I'm acknowledging that this person doesn't want me. Hey, what can I do for you? And they come out and they're just cracking open the door. Well, when they're cracking open the door, I acknowledge the fact that, oh, hey, you're the owner of the property? And they're like, yeah, I am. What are you doing? What are you selling? Okay? When they're saying, what are you selling? What are you doing? Please tell me. You got to open up your brain more, folks. Like so many people do, they lack this skill of the sales skill. I'm going to write this down. The sales skills that are needed to close more deals. I'm going to give you a little sales skill here. And by the way, I'm going to bring you over to this board and show you what I wrote earlier on today. I said every sales skill you acquire increases exponentially your odds of success. So if you need to acquire these sales skills, and by the way, if you're not closing deals consistently every single door, you need to get into my sales skills trainings, okay? I got a lot of trainings on these sales skills, and you need to understand that in order to communicate with people, it's gonna start with acknowledgement. So wait a second, you know what? Here's something. I'm here with XYZ company. Oh, you guys do pest control? Oh, you guys do security? Yeah, we do that. Anyways, what I'm looking to do, that's what the majority are doing. When they acknowledge, oh, you're with, they go like this. Let's just say for security. Oh yeah, you're with Brinks. Oh yeah, you're with ADT. Oh yeah, you're with Vivint. Meaning, yeah, wait a second, hold on here. Oh wait, you're with XYZ company, okay? And they're giving you that kind of attitude, or they're giving you that pushback, okay? If you just say, yeah, I'm with them, and move forward, you have not acknowledged their concern. And that's what I want to teach you guys, is selling exponentially, meaning getting your sales from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 50, 50 in a month. It's gonna learn you're gonna have to learn how to care about their concerns. You're not there just to make a quick buck. You're not there just to get a sale. You're there, first of all, because you stick behind and you're passionate about what it is you sell. You stick behind the products, the services, the brand, you stick behind that. Now that you stick behind it, you're out there on a mission to what? To transfer that to other like-minded individuals who align with you. And the way you're gonna even get to being able to do that is by having the appropriate sales skills, okay? And the most important sales skill of all is that acknowledgement phase that the majority you jump over. And the reason why you jump over this acknowledgement phase is because you tend to, as the customer starts to give you a rebuttal or an objection, you tend to be like, oh dang it, you curl up into a ball in your mind mentally and say, oh God, this is gonna go down that path. You're also not verbally alert. You're also not mentally alert to the fact that being a top salesperson requires this engagement. It requires walking with the customer, acknowledging what they have to say, but also understanding that you do have a patch, a fix, a repair for it. And I was talking to a guy today and he said, well, that's why I'm coming to you for coaching, because I don't have that patch. I'm like, well, what have you been saying recently? I've been saying the exact same thing as I've been doing. I'm like, okay, so let's go through your audio files. We went through the audio files, and when they're giving these rebuttals to them, all he's doing is just saying, yeah, and moving forward. So customer goes, he's not acknowledging. He's a salesperson. So if he's a salesperson who's not acknowledging me, what does he want? He just wants to make money, which means I'm gonna end up losing money. I could possibly get scammed, and why would I do this? I can always do this later with somebody else if I ever did want it. Hence, you end up with a no freaking sale, okay? Once you know why you're selling, what you're selling, and you're so passionate about it, okay? These sales skills that I train and teach on every one of these videos, they're all designed and created to slowly get your mind on the right path to succeeding as a salesperson. And there's so much information that I can give to you guys, and that I'm gonna continue to bring for you guys and gals, that in order to close more deals ethically, because remember, we always teach ethical selling, and that's why I can care less when people at the homeowners or at the doors, they post negative comments. My team instantly deletes it, bans them from the channel. We don't care about that, because if they actually watch the videos, you'll understand that I'm teaching you how to ethically sell. And if you're a homeowner and I just told you that I'm training people on the doors to acknowledge what you have to say, and you're mad and upset that some random salesperson showed up at your door, that they're legally allowed to be there, which they should with their permits, or else I'm against it too, well, that's something that you need to check for yourself, because the countries that are the most dominant are the ones that were built on entrepreneurial spirits, entrepreneurial minds, upon businesses that hire and grow and continue to prosper. And that's why I do what I do, because I personally care about each individual. And on the opposite side, what I'm teaching you as a sales skill is you got to equally care and acknowledge about the other person on the other side of the door. And when you do, and you're able to note that now I'm knocking on doors, knowing that all I got to do is build that trust and like factor so they can allow me into their space. Because remember, people don't allow you into their space. Even you guys don't even allow me into your space to actually watch these videos unless I've earned your trust and respect. So does it not make sense that on the same side, when you're knocking on a door, you first have to earn that trust and respect so that they can be like, you know what, this makes sense. Let me at least allow this person in to do a presentation on what they're selling. Got it? I know there's a lot of content in this video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to smash that like button. That's the least you can do for me and my team with all the hard work that we're constantly pumping out on social media. In the description, you're going to see all our social media links, okay? Make sure you follow us on social media. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you want also my free video series, which I break down the details, and you'll actually get to see me training other sales reps in an office environment, do not forget to smash the link in the description and you will get my three free video series. Yes, one every single day sent to you for the next 3 days. Smash that link in the description and we will see you in the next video. Peace!